In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the transfer case shift motor on your Kia Sorento. Located under the vehicle in the back of the car, let's get started. Before we go ahead and install the new motor, it's important to know that this will need to be reprogrammed by the dealership after we finish this job. Located in the back of the vehicle, right by the rear differential, we're going to go ahead and locate the motor, which is over here. We're gonna go ahead and disconnect it. Simply pull on the tab and slide the connector out of the way. Using a number 5 hex head, we're gonna remove these 4 bolts around the motor. Get them loose. Once you have all 4 bolts loose, remove them. It is important to put an oil pan to catch the oil that's gonna leak out of here before we pull the motor out. So just keep that in mind. Once you have all 4 bolts out of the way and an oil pan to catch the oil, we're gonna go ahead and slide it off. Before we install the new one, we wanna go ahead and lube up our O-ring. And for that, I'm gonna use some silicone. Simply just put a little bit on the O-ring. And then with your finger, go around the entire O-ring. This will make sure that the O-ring doesn't get damaged when we push it into place. We're gonna go ahead and install it. With the connector facing this side, go ahead and line it up with the holes and push it in. Now we're ready to put the bolts by hand. Now we're gonna go ahead and get them snug. And now we're ready to torque them to 8 foot-pounds. Now that it's torqued down, we're gonna go ahead and plug it back in. Lined up the connector and push it in. If you end up with some excess oil, simply grab some brake parts cleaner, spray some on it, and wipe it off. Now we can go ahead and refill the system. Moving to the front of the diff, we're gonna locate the fill hole, which is located right around here. Using a number 6 hex head, we're gonna remove the fill plug. Simply get it loose. Take it off. Using the manufacturer specified fluid, we're gonna go ahead and put 0.5 quarts. In this case, I'm using a hand pump. I'm gonna go ahead and put it slowly. Now we're ready to reinstall the plug back on. We want to make sure that we install a new washer. Now we can go ahead and put it on. The recommended torque for these is 12 foot-pounds. If you can fit a torque wrench in there, in this case, I'm just gonna go ahead and get it snug. Using some brake parts cleaner, we're gonna go ahead and spray it. Wipe off any excess oil. Check for leaks, and that will be the time to bring the vehicle to the dealership to get the new motor reprogrammed. And that'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.